Hello everyone, today we're going to have a look at how you can calculate angles when you need to make a sketch. First of all, we're going to show you some important tips and tricks how to make a sketch, and afterwards you're going to do 2 examples. So, the important tips and tricks to make a good sketch. When making a good sketch, it's not really important to have a look at the measurements, so it does not need to be accurate. Please use symbols in your sketch, because those symbols can tell me and can tell you if something is equal or not. Let's have a look at some examples. So, in triangle ABC, edge AC is equal to edge BC, and angle A is 37 degrees. You need to calculate angle B and angle C. Our first step is to make a sketch. So I'm going to draw a triangle, and of course your measurements do not have to be accurate. We know A, B and C. We know that edge AC, we can see that over here, has the same length as edge BC. So please include all the given info. You can use symbols to tell yourself that edges are equal or not. You can use stars, little hearts, circles, stripes, whatever you like. I chose to do some little hearts. You also know that angle A is equal to 37 degrees, and that's why you need to put it over there. So, when we have a look at our sketch, we already know some extra things. So, it's really important to include all the extra things that we know. We know that angle A is equal to angle B, since a triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. To remember, guys, that an isosceles triangle was when 2 sides were equal. And those isosceles triangles had also base angles which were equal. Our second step is to calculate. So first of all, we know that angle A is equal to angle B. So that's 37 degrees because of the base angles. You must write down the reason why. Then we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees, since we have the angle sum of a triangle. So A plus B plus C is 180 degrees. If you forgot how this works, then please have a look at my previous video about the angle sum of a triangle. You're going to fill in all the information that you know. So 37 degrees plus 37 degrees plus angle C is 180 degrees. You're going to simplify it, so 74 degrees plus angle C equals 180 degrees. So angle C must be 106 degrees. Alright, so this was our first example. Make sure that you write down all these steps in your notebook so that you have an example where you're going to try it for yourself. Our second example is as follows. We've already got a figure. So they say, see the figure on the left. Calculate angle B. Our step 1 is to make a sketch of the figure. So you're going to just make a sketch in your notebook. Or if you have the exercise printed, you can just sketch everything in your printed version. You need to include all the info that is given. And the 150 degrees was already given, and this is already given as well. You can't see it in over here, but this is the info that is already given to us to help us. Now we need to include all the extra things that we know. So we know that edge AB and edge AC are equal. So that means that it's an isosceles triangle. That means that an isosceles triangle has base angles which are equal. So angle B and angle C are equal. So we can already put there some symbols that tells us that they are the same. In this case, I've chosen to put some stars. Step 2 is to calculate. So first, write down what you know. So angle A1 plus angle A2 equals 180 degrees, since it is a straight angle. And please, guys, write it down. 150 degrees plus angle A2 equals 180 degrees. So I've just filled in everything that I knew. Angle A2 equals 30 degrees. So again, include all the extra things you know. So I now know that that is 30 degrees. Then we know that angle A2 plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees because of the angle sum of a triangle. I'm going to fill in all the information I know, so 30 plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. Angle B plus angle C must be 150 degrees then. We already know that angle C is equal to angle B, since those are base angles, and again, write it down in between brackets. So that means that angle B is angle C, and that must be 150 degrees divided by 2, since something plus something equals 150 degrees, and those two need to be the same. And 75 plus 75 equals 150 degrees. So our conclusion is that angle C is equal to 75 degrees, angle B as well, and angle A2 equals 30 degrees. Alright guys, I hope that this has helped you to figure out some more examples and some more puzzles. Please remember that you can have like lots of different steps to come to the correct answer, and then every step is correct as long as you write down your calculations and the reason why. So straight angle, angle sum triangle, and base angles. Good luck with doing your exercises, and if you have any questions, please write them in the comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye!